Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham Khan. So now I'm continuing the problems on set theory from 7th problem onwards, exercise 1C. This is the last exercise. So already in the previous problem I have completed 6 problems showing different set operations. Now I'm continuing the lecture. So 7th problem I'm starting. So before starting the problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. So keep watching in rhythm, don't join in between. Now see the 7th problem. Given NA is equal to 36. NA stands for number of elements in set A. NA stands for number of elements in set A, 36. NB, number of elements in set B, 20. NA intersection B. NA intersection B is equal to 8. That means common elements. The common elements between A set and B set are 8. Find NA complement. That means number of elements in A complement. And NB complement means number of elements in B complement. That's what we have to find out. Number of elements we have to find out. From here onwards, you have to remember few formulas. In set operations, few formulas are there. Those formulas you have to remember. Now here, 7th problem. NA, it is given in the problem. Whatever is given in the problem, first I am writing it down. We don't require the problem now after writing all the ingredients given in the problem. So NA 36 means number of elements in set A, 36. NB, number of elements in set B, 20. NA intersection B. A intersection B means common elements between A and B. The common elements between A and B is intersection, that is 8. NA complement, that means number of elements in A complement is equal to how much? Number of elements in B complement, how much? That's what we have to calculate. Now see carefully here the procedure. First of all, we will apply the formula NAUB, A union B. Number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements in common intersection. Common intersection. So simply remember the formula NAUB. NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. A intersection B. Now we are given the value of NA. How much is NA? 36. NB 20. And NA intersection B 8. So 36 plus 20 minus 8, 48. So what we got is NAUB. A union B. That means all the elements combined together of A and B are 48. Now ultimately we want to find out number of elements in A complement. So number of elements in A complement is equal to N of AUB. That means total elements in all the sets, 2 sets, minus N of A, number of elements in A set. So total number of elements are 48 minus number of elements in A, 36. So 48 minus 36, 12. So what is this 12? Number of elements in A complement. Number of elements in A complement. Similarly, number of elements in B complement, same procedure. N of AUB, A union B, total number of elements in all the both the sets, 48, minus N of B. N of B means number of elements in B. How much? 20. So 48 minus 20 is 28. That's all. So these are the number of elements in A complement, in B complement. That's all. Now next, 8th problem. Given N of X union Y. So 2 sets are there, X set and Y set. So union of those 2 sets 50. Number of elements in XUB, XUY is 50. N of X, number of elements in X 35. Number of elements in Y 30. N of X complement intersection Y complement is 5. And find N of X intersection Y. X intersection Y. So this number of elements in X intersection Y we have to find out. First of all, I'll put the data given in the problem in this notational form. Nx union Y is equal to 50, whatever is given in the problem. N of X, number of elements in X set, 35. Number of elements in Y set, 30. Number of elements in X complement intersection Y complement is 5. Actually, we don't require this. Actually, we have to find out n x intersection y is how much, and how many elements are common in x and y set. X and y set, how many elements are common? X intersection y. This we have to find out. Same formula we apply what we have applied in the previous problem. N of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Instead of a and b, I have written x and y. That is the only difference. Instead of a and b, I have taken x and y. The formula is same. So n of x union a, x union y. How much is x union y? 50. So in place of n x union y, I am writing 50. N of x, 35 is given. N of y, 30 is given. But n x intersection y is not given. That we have to find out. N of x intersection y is not given. This we have to find out. Now take this n x intersection y. It is on the RHS. Now take it to the LHS. So minus will become plus. This minus will become plus because I am taking from RHS to LHS. From right hand side to left hand side. Now 35 plus 30. Earlier it was on RHS. I am keeping the 35, 30 as it is. But this 50 is on LHS. I am taking it to the RHS. So plus 50 will become minus 50. This 50, if I take it here, it will become minus 50. So 35 plus 30, 65. 65 minus 50 is 15. So we got x intersection y. N of x intersection y is equal to 15. It means the common elements, the common number of elements between x and y set is 15. That's it. So these two problems are exactly similar, only alphabets have been changed. A, B, here x, y. That's it. Now, ninth problem. See the ninth one. N of P union C. We have two sets, P and C. The union of P and C, number of elements are 40. N, P intersection C. The common elements between P and C set is 12. N, C minus P. Number of elements of the difference between the two sets. The difference between the two sets are 17. Find NP. Number of elements in set P. That's what we have to find out. See here carefully. Again, a new formula will be used here. First of all, I write the data which is given. N of P union C is equal to 40 given in the problem. N of P intersection C is 12 given in the problem. N of C minus P, number of elements in the difference between the two sets. Difference between C and P is 17. Find N of P, number of elements in P set. That we have to find out. This is the information and this we have to find out. Now we'll make use of one formula. A new formula I am applying because difference is given. In the problem C minus P, difference is given. So I'll apply a different formula. N of PUC, P union C. The number of elements in P union C is equal to N of P minus C plus N of C minus P plus N of P intersection C. This is the formula of N of P union C. So now in our problem, N of P union C is given 40. So in place of N P U C, I am writing 40. N P minus C is not given in the problem. I am assuming it as X. N P minus C is not given in the problem. So I make an assumption it is X. Plus N C minus P. Number of elements in C minus P, that is given. C minus P 17. So in place of this I am writing 17. Plus N P intersection C. So P intersection C is 12. That is given. Now in this equation, one unknown variable is there, X. Keep X as it is. And 17 plus 12, 29. 17 plus 12 is 29. Now take this 29 to LHS. This plus 29 will become minus 29 is equal to X. So 40 minus 29 is 11. So X is equal to 11. So what is this X actually? N P minus C. Number of elements of P minus C is X. And X we got it, 11. So N P minus C is 11. So this value we got. Ultimately we have to find out N of P and a number of elements in P. So what is the formula? Number of elements of P is equal to n P minus C plus n P intersection C. This is a new formula, first time we are applying. So n of P, number of elements in P is equal to n P minus C. Already P minus C we got 11. Plus n P intersection C, that is given in the problem 12. So 11 plus 12, 23. The number of elements in set P, 23. That's it. Now 10th problem. See the problem number 10. N of A, number of elements in A set 20. N of B, number of elements in B set 40. N of A union B, number of elements in A union B is equal to 50. Find n A minus B and n A intersection B. So two questions are asked. First, number of elements A minus B and number of elements A intersection B. That's it. Now see, first of all I am writing the information. N of A 20, N of B 40, N A union B 50. This is the information given. And what we have to find out is N of A minus B and also N of A intersection B. These two items we have to find out. First of all, we calculate N of A intersection B. We calculate N of A intersection B. What is the formula? N of A intersection B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. Minus N of A union B. So, how much is NA here? 20. NB is 40. And NA union B is 50. So, 20 plus 40 minus 50. 60 minus 50. 10. So, one answer you got N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B is 10. So, this second value I got. N of A intersection B. Now, easily I can find out N of A minus B. So, what is the formula of NA minus B? NA minus B is equal to NA minus N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B. NA is given in the problem 20. NA is given 20. And N of A intersection B is given, just now we have calculated 10. Just now we have calculated 10. So 20 minus 10 is 10. So N of A minus B is 10. So ultimately both the variables we got it. Both the questions we have answered. So N of A minus B is 10. N of A intersection B is also 10. That's it. Now see the 11th one. N of A is equal to 40. Number of elements in A 40. N of B, number of elements in B 32. N of C, that means 3 sets are there, A, B, C. Number of elements in A 40, number of elements in B 32, number of elements in C 20. Number of elements A intersection B, A intersection B 20. Number of elements B intersection C 10. Number of elements A intersection C 6. Number of elements A intersection B intersection C is 1. Find the N of A union B union C. The only difference is previous we were having 2 sets. Now we are having 3 sets. Now carefully. Only the thing is you have to remember the formula logically. N of A is given 40. N of B is given 32. N of C is given 20. These are the number of elements. Number of elements in A set, B set, C set. N of A intersection B. The common elements between A and B 20. And number of elements intersection B and C 10. N of A intersection C 6. Number of A intersection B intersection C 1. This is the complete information given in the problem. And we are required to find out N A union B union C. Finally, our question is this one. What is A union B union C? The formula is very simple. Remember, N of A union B union C is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C. First of all, we add up the number of elements in A, B and C. N of A, N of B, N of C minus. Now you have to subtract the intersection elements of both pairs. We are having a pair of A and B, B and C, A and C. So minus N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection C minus N of B intersection C. Then plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Add up. So first we are deducting the pairs. deducting the pairs. The pairs are A and B, A and C, B and C. Then we have to add A, B, C, all the three intersection. Now all the values are given here. A, B, C, 40 plus 32 plus 20, 40 plus 32 plus 20, minus 20, minus 10, minus 6, minus 20, minus 10, minus 6, plus 1, ultimately 57. So what is this 57? P of A union B union C. That's it. So this is the problem number 11. Exactly similar 12th problem. See carefully. 12th problem, n of x 67, n of y 46, n of z 40. Again 3 sets are there, x, y, z. N of x intersection y, combination x and y, intersection 28. N of y and z, combination of y and z 8. N of x and z, combination of x, z 26. N of x intersection y intersection z 2. Find n x union y union z. Exactly similar to the previous problem, only alphabets. Previous problem we have ABC, now we have x, y, z. So n of x 67, n of y 46, n of z 40. N of x intersection y 28, n of y intersection z 8, n of x intersection z 26. N of x intersection y intersection z 20. Now we have to find out n of x union y union z. Same formula, only alphabets changed. N of x union y union z is equal to n of x plus n of y plus n of z minus n of x intersection y minus n of x intersection z minus n of y intersection z plus n of x intersection y intersection z. All the values we have, only simply you have to remember the formula. That's it. Now we'll substitute 67 plus 46 plus 40 minus 28 minus 8 minus 26 plus 2. You'll get 93. Over. So 93 is x of union y union z. Now 13th problem. See the 13th one. N A union B union C is equal to 100. N of A 45, N of B 30, N of C 52. N of A intersection B 17, N of B intersection C 15, N of A intersection C 8. Find N of A intersection B intersection C. Same formula we will apply. Instead of union, we have to find out intersection. Union is given. Previous problem, intersection was given and we have calculated union. But now union is given and we have to calculate the intersection. Same formula. First we write the information. N of A union B union C is 100. N of A 45, N of B 30, N of C 52, N of A intersection B 17, N of B intersection C 15, N of A intersection C is 8. And find N of A intersection B intersection C. So we have to find out intersection. Union is given. So we apply the formula. N of A union B union C is equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection C minus N of B intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Same formula, right? Now the value of N A union B union C is given 100. So in place of N A union B union C 100 I have written. Now remaining all, N A is equal to 45, N B is equal to 30, N C is equal to 52. Or A intersection B minus 17 minus 15 minus 8 plus N A intersection B intersection C we don't have. The unknown variable is N A intersection B intersection C as it is. As it is. Now take all the constants to LHS. The constants 45, 30, 52, these are on RHS. Now bring it to LHS. So plus will become minus. So minus 40, this plus 45 will become minus 45. Plus 30 will become minus 30. Plus 52 will become minus 52. Minus 17 will become plus 17. Minus 15 will become plus 15. Minus 8 will become plus 8. Is equal to NA intersection B intersection C. So RHS I am keeping only A intersection B intersection C. RHS. All the constants I have brought it to the LHS. So plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So ultimately after solving we get 13. So N A intersection B intersection C is equal to 13 is the answer. That's it. So 13 problems we have completed. One more problem we'll do. 14th one. In a survey, it was found that 53% of the people in Hyderabad read Enadu. Enadu is one of the newspaper, local newspaper here. So 53% of the people in Hyderabad read Enadu paper, while 58% read Deccan Chronicle. This is also one of the newspaper in Hyderabad. So 53% of the people in Hyderabad read Enadu, 58% read Deccan Chronicle, 12% read both. So 12% of the population of Hyderabad read both papers, Enadu as well as Deccan Chronicle. Then how many read neither Enadu nor Deccan Chronicle? We have to find out what is the percentage of people who read neither Enadu nor Deccan Chronicle. They will not read the paper at all. So how much percentage? So first of all, we will put the data in the notational form. N of E, E stands for Enadu. So how much percentage of people read Enadu? 53%. And D, D stands for Deccan Chronicle. So how much percentage of people read Deccan Chronicle? 58% given. E, N of E intersection D. E intersection D का मतलब होता है common elements. And common readers, those who read both Enadu as well as Deccan Chronicle. So 12% read both Enadu and Deccan Chronicle. Now we calculate N of EUD. EUD union. Union means how many people read either Deccan Chronicle or Enadu. Either anyone. Either Deccan Chronicle or Enadu. So N of EUD is equal to N of E plus N of D minus N of E intersection D. N of E intersection D. Now we substitute. N of E is 53, N of D is 58, and N of E intersection D is 12. So 53 plus 58 minus 12, 99. So we can say 99% of the population of Hyderabad read either Enadu or Deccan Chronicle. Either Enadu or Deccan Chronicle, any one of the paper they will read. When 99% people read any one, then 1% of people are there who neither read Enadu nor they will read Deccan Chronicle. So percentage, number of people read at least one paper is 99%. So therefore percentage of people who read neither Enadu nor Deccan Chronicle is 100 minus 99, 1%. So totally 1% of the population, they neither read Enadu nor they will read Deccan Chronicle. That's all. So this is the end of problem number 14. So if you are satisfied with my lecture, if you think that your knowledge is increasing by watching these videos, then please give a like to the video. Give your comment and share my channel in your group, in your friend circle, so that more students can watch the video and enhance the knowledge. And lastly, please subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed. We'll continue the next problem in the next video.